Child labor remains a significant issue in Nepal's Tarai region. Which is the southern lowland strip of the country bordering India. The Tarai is known for its agriculture productivity, but it's also plagued by poverty, lack of education, and inadequate enforcement of law, making children vulnerable to exploitation. Many families in the Tarai live below the poverty line, forcing children to work to contribute to household income. Limited access to quality education means children often have few alternatives to work. Additionally, families may prioritize boys' education over girls, further perpetuating gender disparities. The Tarai is a hub for internal migration, with families moving from rural areas to find work in agricultural fields or industries. Migration exposes children to exploitation as they often accompany their families and end up working in hazardous conditions. Much of the work in the Tarai is informal, making it difficult to regulate and monitor. Children often work in agriculture, brick kilns, and small-scale industries where labor laws are not effectively enforced. Traditionally, attitudes and cultural norms may also perpetuate child labor, with some families viewing it as a means of teaching responsibility or necessary for survival. Efforts to address child labor in Nepal's Tarai, including legislation such as the Child Labor Act, which prohibits the employment of children under 14 in hazardous industries. However, enforcement remains a challenge due to limited resources and infrastructure. More comprehensive efforts are needed to address the root causes of child labor and ensure the well-being and rights of children in the Tarai and across Nepal.